Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. We are back to share with you another summer-themed craft. Today we make fun, fresh summer drinks perfect for the hot weather. Serve your dolls a sea breeze, watermelon splash, or an orange tropical punch. Or make a completely custom drink of your own. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! Our first two drinks are made from resin. We bought ours off eBay. Although the exact listing was sold out, we did see similar resin products for jewelry crafts and art DIYs for the same low prices. And the best part was free shipping. Simply mix 2 teaspoons from the container labelled A with 1 teaspoon from container labelled B. To tint our resin a misty ocean blue, we are using food colouring. Pick up just a tiny drop on a toothpick and stir into the resin. Our glasses are American Girl brand. We found them on eBay. You get 4 cups for less than $6 Australian. They are the same as the glasses from Mary Ellen's Diner and the Truly Me Blender and Milkshake set. For ice cubes, we are using the brand Little Birdie Crystal Drops purchased from Lincraft. You could also use small clear beads or vase filler. Carefully pour the resin into the glass, then set aside for 2 hours to partially set. We use mini cocktail straws for our doll drinks since the opening is super narrow. Now the resin is semi-cured, we can position the straw. You will notice the crystal drops have risen to the top and the resin has thickened in texture. For garnish, we took the smallest leaves from a fake houseplant to resemble mint, placed them in the tacky resin. We also made blueberries from air dry clay. Randomly position them around the leaves and straw, and your sea breeze drink is done. Repeat the resin process for your second drink, only this time mix a tiny drop of red food colouring for a light pink colour. This is going to be our watermelon splash. As before, fill the glass with your faux ice cubes. Pour in the resin, then leave to partially set. Following an Older My Froggy Stuff tutorial, cut a segment of pool noodle to make watermelon slices. I'll leave a link to her video in the description box. Adhere strips of white and green fun foam for the rind, then cut a wedge. To add more realism, use a green marker to colour the wavy rind pattern on your green fun foam. We also cut the pool noodle into smaller cubes. Use a toothpick to push them down into the glass to mimic chunks of watermelon. Again, wait till the resin has semi-set or your cubes will just float to the top. We have some leftover deco cream from our DIY ice cream project, so thought to use it up here. Insert your straw first, then fill the top of the glass with a big dollop of cream. Add your watermelon wedge, and for extra decoration, we use these red styrofoam berries from a fake Christmas holly plant. This was a great opportunity to use up leftover bits and bobs from our crafting stash. Now, let's see what we can do with these Our Generation cups. For a tropical punch, mix orange paint and Elmer's clear glue. Just be aware that this drink will not last as long as the resin ones, but Elmer's glue is a pretty good substitute. Pour a small amount of the glue mix into the bottom of the glass, then add some clear beads to build up bulk and give the glue something to adhere to. Fill with more glue mix, then add the smaller crystal drops. With your remaining mix, fill the glass almost to the top. To mimic the look of shaved ice, cut tiny slithers off a clear hot glue stick. Sprinkle them on top to help seal the opening of the glass. Coat with more clear glue to ensure the flakes don't fall off later. Here we found an orange-shaped eraser at Daiso. It came in a 4-pack fruit set for $2.80. We also added thin strips to our sea breeze drink for a contrasting colour. While the glue is still wet, place the wedges atop the shaved ice. Finally, cut 2 pieces of red cocktail straw and insert into the drink, with one straw sitting higher than the other. Leave your drink at least 48 hours for the Elmer's glue to completely set. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Always Dolls. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!